Yes, Agent 001 speaking. Order received.
Yes, Agent 002 speaking. Order received. Today client's request is privacy, more storages, and a consistent theme. How do we create a sense of privacy in this area?
I think we could have a hidden door to separate the living area and the bedrooms.
Oh, great idea.
The clients host a number of guests and there is limited storage in this unit. How could we solve this issue?
We could place a display cum storage cabinet at the dining area. For common bedrooms, how could we have more storages in this limited space?
We can customize platform storage bed. They are functional and practical. So how can we maintain the consistency of the design in this master bedroom?
We could customize the bed head to blend well with the overall theme and also serve as a night and reading light for the client.
We can have a settee cum storage for them to read.